Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both dashboards so nothing blocks the link. Open the source and the target dashboards in Power BI Service. Make sure you have edit rights on the source. Once done, copy the target dashboard URL from the browser address bar because you'll paste it into a tile. Next, choose whether you want a text box, image tile, or web content tile as the visible call to action. Doing this now saves time and prevents permission or broken link surprises later. Now you'll create the actual link tile so users can jump between dashboards. On the source dashboard, click Add Tile and pick text box, image, or web content. Use image for a branded button or text box for a simple link. Paste the target dashboard URL into the link field, or the web content embed if using that tile. Once added, position and resize the tile so it's visible, and give it a clear label such as Open Sales Dashboard, so users know where it goes. Finish by testing and handling common issues. Click the new tile to confirm it opens the target dashboard in a new tab. Make sure the destination loads and shows expected visuals. If it fails, check the URL for typos and verify that viewers have permission to view the target dashboard, since access errors often look like broken links. If changes don't appear, refresh the dashboard or remove and re-add the tile. This fixes caching or permission propagation problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.